Hey everybody, it's Ryan here, Von Scheller Family Experience. We're up at our family cabin having getting away, isolation, if you would call it, you know, during the whole coronavirus stuff. We built a little kicker here. I've been hitting it and Cameron's gonna hit it for the first time right now. So this is what you're talking about. When you're coming up to it, it looks a lot bigger.
Yeah. But it also looks bigger, so it's like pointy on the top, but it's not actually not that much.
Woohoo! Yeah, he just did it. Went off his first jump on the snowmobile. Nice little kicker here. He did a good job. He's going around again. Gonna hit one more time, maybe a little more speed this time. All right, Mom's out here to watch, so she's really excited. Cameron's going around for his third hit. Boy, we'll be doing knack-knacks in no time. We gotta build a little ramp out here for him. Woohoo! Here we go with the high five. Yeah, that feel okay? Yeah. All right, Cameron just hit his first jump on his Arctic Cat F7, and what do you think, bud?
Yeah, it's a lot bigger when you're going up it on the sled.
Yeah, when you're coming up to it, it looks a little bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you did good. You got a little air. 8 years old on an F7. Already catching some air. He's doing awesome up here at our cabin, huh?
Yeah.
All right.